Welcome to War India News Hour. Telcos and cloud service providers are partnering to enable more 5G use cases. The tech world continues to change and evolve, and it's important to keep up with the changes. Globally, industries with edge presence, that is including communication service providers, retailers, manufacturers, transport businesses, healthcare and media or entertainment providers face pressures to build more digitized businesses and new digital experiences for their customers. Organizations have a tremendous opportunity to digitally transform their businesses with 5G and cloud capabilities like artificial intelligence and machine learning at the edge. The pandemic gave us a glimpse at how cloud platforms and connectivity can come together to deliver ingenuity in how we work, live and connect. But as telcos race to harness 5G and edge, the critical question has now become, can they avoid the same fate that recently befell legacy media companies when cloud hyperscalers and direct-to-consumer streaming conspired to take the lion's share of the profits in the media value chain? 5G is a powerful innovation platform. Combined with edge cloud capabilities, 5G has the potential to accelerate the digital transformation of virtually any sector of industry or society. 5G will require telcos to radically change their model to address the enterprise market and provide more advanced mobile broadband services. 5G brings a new paradigm to consumers and enterprises. 5G will provide 10x faster speeds, ultra-low latency, and deterministic reliability. This technology will enable a new range of services including driverless vehicles, remote robot controlling, VR, AR, and real-time gaming experiences among others. The reality is 5G will bring significant costs to the telcos, including licensing spectrum, building infrastructure, and managing a complex real-time platform. Nearly all major telcos have announced their commitment to spending billions of dollars in the coming years on infrastructure to support 5G. Let's look into today's headlines in War India. Mavenir acquires Telestax to enhance its business messaging and customer engagement platform. Mavenir, the global leader in mobile messaging and business messaging monetization solution for service providers, announced the acquisition of Telestax Inc., a leading global communications platform as a service enablement and application provider to the communications industry. This acquisition enhances Mavenir Engage, Mavenir's omni-channel messaging monetization and customer engagement offerings. With this acquisition, they will unlock enterprise value in 5G with API enablement for different verticals such as IoT, smart cities, automotive, and provide turnkey applications for logistics, fleet management, AI ML chatbots, voice biometrics verification, immersive commerce, entertainment, and many other use cases. Siemens, AMD, and Microsoft collaborate to form EDA in the cloud. Moving some or all of your electronic design automation, that is EDA computing, to the cloud enables your company to reduce time to market and innovate faster simply by taking advantage of flexible resources and economies of scale. Siemens Digital Industries software teamed up with Advanced Micro Devices Inc., that is AMD, and Microsoft Azure to demonstrate how the use of the Calibre NM platform with cloud computing can dramatically reduce your design closure times by employing more compute resources to get your design to market faster. Using a production 7nm design, we achieve a 2.5x speed up in physical verification cycle time. Many business houses are going to appoint the Chief Artificial Intelligence Officers. As the new market trends evolve to transformations, it becomes imperative for companies to build new C-suite leadership roles to maintain competitive advantage. The field of artificial intelligence is booming. Any new C-suite role would typically be one that is very specific to the domain in which the company wishes to accentuate its strengths. The role of the Chief Artificial Intelligence Officer, that is CAIO, is going to become necessary as more companies consider AI deployment. A report says around 2/3 of organizations expect to hire a CAIO in the future. The relevance of this position completely depends on the organization, its long-term objectives, and maturity of its leadership suite. Google, Microsoft plan to spend billions on cybersecurity. The whole globe is struggling with the issue of cybersecurity and cybercrime. The White House hosted a cybersecurity summit with CEOs in sectors ranging from tech to insurance. Technology giants including Google, Microsoft, IBM and Amazon are committed to spending billions on cybersecurity. Following the meeting, they are going to strengthen cybersecurity defenses and to train skilled workers, the White House has announced following President Joe Biden's private meeting with top executives. Government launches schemes to support 300 startups for creating 100 unicorns. The government has launched a program to support 300 IT startups under which it will provide seed funding, mentorship and market access with a view to creating 100 unicorns out of the selected startups. IT and Telecom Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw said that he has mentored over 20 startups earlier and understands the need of mentoring them during the most important part of their journey when their idea is getting converted into a product. He said that lack of funds for startups is not a big issue. Ministry of Electronics and IT Special Secretary Jyoti Arora said that the concept of the Startup Accelerator of MeitY for Product Innovation, Development and Growth, that is SAMRIDH, SAMRIDH, has been developed on the lines of Silicon Valley-based accelerator Y Combinator. That's it for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India News Magazine. Stay tuned. Thank you.